Hello, all my Ed 219 friends. My name is Jordan Murtis, and my tech bite will be over News-o-Matic. News-o-Matic is a website that is a one-stop shop for students to see the current events and explore in a safe manner. Another great thing about News-o-Matic is it provides many resources for the students to utilize. That way they can enjoy and have fun while reading the news. Another great thing is that it provides the opportunity for teachers to assess and monitor their students and how they're reading and how they're progressing while reading news stories. So here's the main screen of News-o-Matic. One of the great things about News-o-Matic up front is that you can go back and see several episodes in the past, up to 2 weeks prior. And so we're on today's Monday, September 28th news page. Now there's several articles on here. We can click about whales. A great thing about every article is that it has words in there, so that are kind of the keywords that if students may not know, they can click them.
Conducted.
It'll tell you how to pronounce it and give you the definition. Another great thing about News-o-Matic is it gives you opinion polls that you can actually poll. What do you think about the whales breaking this record? And you can say and give a chance to give your opinion. That's actually rated across the country. Another wonderful tool that News-o-Matic has is the map feature. With this map feature, students have the ability to actually see where the event is happening. So we are here, and it's happening in North Carolina. It actually kind of gives you some more fun facts about where this is occurring. Another valuable resource that News-o-Matic provides are this top scroll bar. Up here it gives you a fact and an act. It gives you a fact about the article and how you can act on it. It gives you a slideshow of all the images. It gives you a video.
Hi.
It gives you different languages. You can have it read to you. You can get this. You can cite it. You can ask the editor questions about the article. You can draw pictures about the article. We can rate it. We can save the article, print, highlight, and actually see the author of the article. So these resources are available for every single article that is on News-o-Matic. They can see where everything's occurring on in the world. That way it gives them a visual. Now another great thing about News-o-Matic is the ability to search. So if we click search up here, it'll bring us to the screen. Let's see here. It'll bring us to we can search for different articles in the past. So if you need to find something about dinosaurs, we can go in here and search for dinosaurs and see what any article has come up in the past about dinosaurs. And students can see those and still access all the same resources even though it took place in the past. They can have citation, they can see the slideshow, they can see the fact and the act, and they can do everything that they could on the current day's news. Now another great thing that News-o-Matic provides is for the teachers, because as a teacher we want to be able to see what our students are doing and how they're doing. So if you go to the Teachers tab on News-o-Matic, and click Teachers, you can actually edit and create your own classroom. So here I have my Education 219 class with the students. You can adjust their reading level. You can see their score to date on the quizzes they take after reading the article, how many articles they've actually read, how many words they've read, total time, and you can see based on what week that they've actually read it on. And you can see, you can print this out, export it, get progress reports, answer keys. You can actually start a class chat so they can chat within the classroom about the article. So you could assign an article and the students could chat back and forth real time about that actual article. So this is, you can create multiple different grades or classes if you have different classes. Another great thing about News-o-Matic is it has a profile, so students have a chance to edit their own profile. They can add their picture, put their birthday in, they can see any saved articles that they might have, and any drawings that they might have saved. So in conclusion, News-o-Matic is a great resource for students and for teachers. It gives the ability to students to see the current event. They can ask questions. They can communicate across the world. They can get responses. They can blog with other students. They can research. They can work on citation. It gives them the ability to still stay in touch and communicate with the world, but in a safe manner where news isn't going to be something that scares them. And another great thing is it gives the ability to talk to students and tells them if you're upset about something you read in the news, it gives them some helpful hints on how they can cope with those feelings. So really, News-o-Matic is a wonderful resource to not scare students away from the news. It gives them the ability to go through and learn about it. And it gives teachers a safe spot where they know students can peruse and browse news in a safe manner without feeling threatened or in danger. So News-o-Matic is a wonderful resource that you could use at the beginning of the day, at the end of the day, for students to just explore, read, listen, and see what's going on in the daily events across the world and across the nation. So I recommend News-o-Matic for every teacher. I will use mine in about the 4th or 5th grade level. That way students can work with other um, standards that they're working on in social studies, science, or math. So News-o-Matic, TechByte, Jordan Murtis, get it. It's a wonderful tool. Thank you for your time and have a great rest of the day.